Alright, guys, welcome back. This is cracking down another stock with regards to the news and the sentiment that's going on in the market. Okay, so this is a Bloomberg article about the Chinese news on the IT stocks. So, in this one, we can see that global investors are increasingly excited about the potential for Indian companies competing in India and in other markets around the world. So this thing, especially for the IT firms, the companies which does all the works related to IT, and the new IPO companies are looking for India's. These venture capital companies are looking for India's new IPO offerings. But then again, we can look for finding the exceptionally valuable stock in IT sector, since the news from China is not good for the IT sector. So already last time India surpassed China in venture fundraising. That was in 2003 with the Flipkart deal. So Walmart purchased Flipkart for 3.6 billion. So the recent news coming is that international companies that are planning to invest in IT firms coming to India just because of the negative news from China. So Indian IT companies are already having the boost. Infosys, TCS, all are booming. So we have found a stock which can be a multi-bagger, and we are planning to analyze it. And I personally am going to invest in that. So it's for a long term, and we always have to follow the sentiment of market or the market participants. Okay, so Emphasis is the stock. We can see that stock is in a rising pattern. It's already closed above its previous resistance. Here one, and here is another one. Right now, after the breaking out, it's going on a steep up move, and we can also see a volume spike. Alright, so I'm always going to mark that volume spike candle. If it breaks above it, or if it's come down, I will be keeping a buy around this level, that is 2490 or 500, that level. If it breaks above it, I'll be buying that also. So this is a valuable point. This is for long term, and this stock can become a super multi-bagger like 4,000, 5,000 in a very short time. So I am planning to invest in this stock. This is purely because of the news and the sentiments. We don't care about the financials right now. And the major thing is that it can't even properly close below this gap that has been made. Okay, so there is no gap in the candles right here. The only gap is found here. That means there is immense pressure to the upside. So we want to capitalize on that. So once again I'm giving you the level. If it goes above here, then I will buy it. If it comes down and testing this support, and I want to see a candle closing above, a daily candle closing above that support testing candle. So around 2500 I'll be buying, or if it breaks above this. And moreover that, if you see closely, this is an inside candle, so that's also signifying a breakout above here on Monday. But let's see, if it breaks out to the downside, I will wait for price to sustain at these levels. Then after sustaining, we will buy it. So I have plans like this one. Okay, let me remove that. So these are the levels. If price come here and sustains, then I expect price to move somewhere around here. Or if price breaks out from here, then we can see a going up, retesting support, and again going up. Okay, either way, these 2 points are my entry points. So I'll be buying above 2700 and around this level. Alright, okay, we see that.